Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you all the physical buttons on your steering and also on your dashboard for the new Volkswagen Tiguan 2024 onwards. This is the newer generation Volkswagen Tiguan that's available in New Zealand right-hand drive. In today's video, I will display these functions in a basic trim. On the vehicle you're driving, you may find different functions here and there, but it's going to be identical in the theory how to control a lot of them. Do not forget to check the link down in the description for more Volkswagen Tiguan's tutorial in the future. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, first thing is the light switch for the front. You get mode that allows you to change for the low beam or parking lights or off or auto. And you can also switch on the rear fog lights. This is rear only. Some of the other ones may have front fog lights, whatever. Click here to rear fog lights off. Automatic, or just switch on, switch off automatically for you. That's pretty simple. Now let's go to the gear selector. Foot on the brake allow you to go forward for drive. Sometimes it will show eco as it's eco drive. Go reverse or in between, that's neutral, or go forward again, that's drive or eco, whatever. Keep going forward, we can go to S for sports, and go forward again, that's drive. So that's how to change between drive and sports quickly. But do remember, you can also change anything through the center screen based on your, let's say, driving experience or comfort, whatever. So you can see that's to change your gears. Going back to park is pressing the button on the side. On the left, that's your windscreen wiper and indicators. As standard, go up is your indicator on the right, down is your indicator on the left. You get a convenience indicator, so just a small touch on the top and bounce back. That's 3 flashes, just like that. Now for the flashlight, pulling it back, that's for flash. Push it forward, allow you to switch on the high beam or auto high beam. Push it forward, you can see the auto high beam will be switched on. Just like that. Next, this particular switch is your front wiper switch. Down at the bottom, that's off. Forward, that's low auto. Second click is high auto on the automatic sensing. Another forward click, that's low speed, so it's no auto anymore, it's just gonna wipe on a set speed. Keep going, that's high on a set speed. All the way down, that's off. On the side, you can wash your wipers, so just push and hold. You can wash your front wiper with the windscreen fluid. Then this small switch is for the rear wiper. On the very left, that's off. Single click, that's on for the rear wiper. Push and hold, that's to wash the rear wiper. And stop, that's to stopping the washer. Going back, that's off again. Now on your steerings, this is obviously horn, push down to enable the horn. Behind the steering, you get the paddle shifters. The right one is plus, the left one is minus. At any time, when you drive the vehicle, you can do plus or minus to change your gears using paddle shifters, or pull and hold to switch off the paddle shifters. It will show different gears, depends on your gear change. Sometimes it's on the left, sometimes it's on the top. Next, on your steering, on the left and right bottom, this is the track control for your radio stations or for your music. On the left, that's your volume control, minus, plus. On your right, up and down, left and right, OK button allows you to change the dashboard view, allow you to change the dashboard view. I will explain that later when we go into the dashboard. This is you to enable your voice command function on your vehicle. On the left, that's your cruise control, travel assist, or speed limiter settings. To change whatever you like on the cruise control, click this mode function first. So as standard, it's on ACC on the top dashboard. Click mode again. We can go speed limiter or travel assist. ACC and travel assist is very similar. So ACC allows the vehicle to change the distance between you and the vehicle and set the speed. I'll explain how to work on ACC first. So once you have selected, make sure when the car starts, it's on ACC, for example. You can just press the set button when you start driving the vehicle. It will set at your current speed. You can press plus and minus to change your set speed. And press this function key to change the distance between you and the front vehicle. It will display underneath the vehicle on the dashboard. That means the vehicle will drive on your set speed when the road is clear. If the vehicle in front of you is traveling less than your set speed, it will automatically slow down to keep a safe distance. If you do want to cancel it, press the cancel button on the top or press the brake at any time. If you want to resume, press the resume, or if you want to set again, press set. Pretty simple. If you go to the function called Travel Assist on the top dashboard, that just means while you are driving on the cruise control and set, all these functions are going to be the same, but along with that, the vehicle also help you to steer in the center of the lane marking or following the front traffic at low or high speeds. So you get a much better steering assist under the conditions. You see on the top dash, this steering function key is now activated or is now ready. When the cruise control or travel assist is on, those function key will go a different color, green for example. When they are ready or when they are not working, it will show gray or white, whatever. Anyway, click here again, we can go to speed limiter. Under the speed limiter, you can press set at any time, then press plus and minus to change your set speed limiter. The vehicle will allow you to drive, but will not allow you to go over that speed limiter. Let's say you set your speed limiter to 100, you can press the accelerator, the car will just slow down at 100, not allow you to go over 100 kilometers per hour. But if you do wish to momentarily go over that speed limiter, you can still do it. You can floor the accelerator and the vehicle will allow you to go temporarily over the speed limiter, then resume back to the speed limiter again. If you do want to cancel at any time, click cancel or click mode to change whatever you like. Default setting when you start the vehicle is, generally speaking, always on ACC, Adaptive Cruise Control. Now finally, we can go into the dashboard. So dashboard is quite complicated because you have 3 different screen panels for you to select. To change the design of the dashboard, you can first use the view button first. So click the view, you can see how many designs you have. For example, this square box design, this round box design with the small displays on the side, this round up display again with adaptive cruise control information in the center. Then we go back to these small displays. So on this particular example, we got 3 different designs. So on some other examples, you may have more, I actually don't know. You can also change the rings colors, by the way. So you want to go into the center, go to the experience, you can change the few colors on here. So on the dashboard, those things will change it along with the settings. That's just a small detail. Anyway, in one of the panels, let's say you are in this particular panel, you can do a few things. First thing, click the left arrow. We can change the left display. So the left display right now is going consumption or display or settings. So you can use the function keys on the right to go up and down. If I want to change to total distance, I can click OK. We can see 21 kilometers traveled right now on the total distance. Again, if you do want to change the settings, go all the way up to the settings. That will be able to enable a few more functions. Let's say we want to enable navigation, we want to enable audio, telephone, destination, then go back. I can find average speed, total distance, navigation, audio, all that things. I'll click OK. So navigation guidance will show on the left if the navigation is on. Then if we want to change anything on the right, same thing, click the right button, and then we can go up and down on one of these functions. Along with that, you can also go into the settings. So if you go into the settings, you can see I can enable consumption, average consumption, or whatever I wish by clicking left, and we can see the consumption is now there, or average consumption is now there. This consumption is really bad because I've been running the car stationary for this particular long video. Do not worry about the consumption. Anyway, that's how that works on the left and on the right panel. And if we go into the center, we can also change the center panel, by the way. Click up and down arrow without going to any of the screens. We can do speed, we can do selector, we can close. So if I do speed, you can see that speed is gone and then it pops into the center. So now I have a good permanent display speedo on the top. If I change the view by any means, you can see all the things align with whatever I have changed. So I just changed the graphic, but these things are still there for your speed, for your controls and things like that. So that's how that works with all those things lining on the left and right. In terms of the panel display, we can see the speed is on the top, cruise control or lane keep assist is on the top left, speed sign recognition is on the right, temperature for the exterior is on the right. range to empty is on the right as well, so you can see the fuel tank is getting low and we're getting 150 k's left. This is another driving part. This is your driving mode, so you get on-road driving, eco, whatever, it will display over here. Underneath, the parking gear is here, or you can permanently display over here if you wish. Seatbelt sign, parking brake, and time. Auto high beam lights are also available. Another function under this particular screen where it's going to show you the adaptive cruise control or driving information, driving assistance functions. You can also click this OK button. That means we can go into the assist system to quickly adjust a few things or disable a few things. Let's say I do not want the lane assist to be on this time. I'll turn off the lane assist. You can see the bars will change. I do not want the speed warning. I can turn off the speed warning. I do not want the front assist. I can turn off the front assist. So those things will be turned on. This is just a quick menu to quickly turn a few things on and off on this particular screen, which is only available under the driving screen. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you do not forget to subscribe, like. That's the best way to support the channel. As always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.